Teresa at the 3rd Annual Customer Appreciation Car Show hosted by Player's Choice. And our underlying question is, what is whip game to you?
You're now watching PAIRADICE
TV. How you guys doing, bro? I'm Pito from Player's Choice Customizing. Right here we're at the car show, you know, just beginning, everybody coming in.
You're now watching PAIRADICE TV. Check it out.
That's what we all talk about, you know? Get a Davin DUVs. DUVs are coming up. Check those out right there. Double spin DUVs. Anything you can think of, we're gonna have them here.
Check this out, we got imports coming in. Look at this thing.
Famous, you know, Milwaukee, Milltown owned, you know, 96 Yukon, Escalade front clip, 4 doors, you know, going up. I mean, what else can you do? I mean, TVs everywhere. Hey, I'm still waiting for somebody in Milwaukee to come and check this out and bring me something I can say, damn, you're better than mine. Right here we got the Lexus. We just got done with this one. I mean, customers spend some money in it. I mean, of course, but it's our show. Man. It's our show. Flipping paint, Diablo doors, you know, interior swiped up, TVs everywhere. You know, I mean, it's a special made kit from Japan. And what we did, we molded it to the ground effects, and this is a 91 Lexus LS 400. But you can't even tell until I told you that. Go around it, check them out. Bring down the TV, it's all good. Not airbags, air ride. Look at it, watch it, and you be the judge.
3rd Annual Customer Appreciation Car Show presented by Player's Choice.
05 Escalade, EXT. Just custom paint, rims, that's about it. I mean, it's all day. Player's Choice customizing, all day. Let me know. Take care of you. Watch. Next year, it's gonna be better. We're trying to do a super show next year. So, this is where we at. Now you're watching PAIRADICE TV.
Man, whip game is for real, man. We talking paint, we talking rims, we talking interior, we talking engine, we talking the whole 9 yards.
convincing court. He's 26 years old in December, excuse me, I'm tripping. He was killed on June 12th. We're just out here trying to find out who killed my brother. You know, any information, we got a reward out there. He would have been at this car show today. He was somebody tried to steal his car. Thank you.
Okay, car prep, it's ready. Right now, we're gonna seal it with a sealer pretty close to the, pretty close from the color that's gonna be. So when we shoot the color, we cover it up pretty fast. So right now, we're gonna tack rag it and ready for spray. Shoot the tape on top. It's a three-stage paint job. You got the base down. Now we're gonna shoot the tape that goes on top of this. We call it ice, so I make a little flip on it. The outrageous. So we're gonna shoot that now. You see how it turns out. Right, this is the last stage of the paint. Got a clear coat on it. Next thing you can see all the chrome bumpers back on. Interior done. Peel top ready to go. Put the rims back on. And then the last but not least, wet sand and buff. And ready to go. Now you're watching the whip game. PAIRADICE TV, baby.
From the Brew City to everywhere.